What's up everyone, this is Ken. I'm back with another video. I have done an AutoPark video before on this channel, but what I wanted to do is kind of step it up a notch, give you another visual other than in the car. So I want to put my drone in the air, just give you another visual in this very vacant parking lot and see how good the visual is. Let's jump right into it. All right, we're ready to go. Drone is in the air. I'll go over here and kind of just see, coming back, see if it'll recognize, for one, the parking spot. I don't know if it'll pop up on this display whenever it's full screen, because I haven't really tried AutoPark that much. You should see me coming back in view. I'm gonna go very slow here and see if AutoPark will pop up. All right, just popped up. Putting it in reverse. AutoPark is ready. And maybe on this video, I'll probably try to time it, but that was fast. I don't know if it's gonna go up. Zooming in a little bit and see how it looks from above. And you see right there, it pretty much cleared it really well. It didn't hit the cement part, which is pretty awesome. So what we're gonna do is go back up in the air and we're gonna try it coming from another direction. Actually, what I wanna do is, I'll show you. Let's do it right in this spot, right by that tree from this angle. Probably not gonna be able to see me yet. Seems like it takes a good amount of time, but I wanna see if it'll get right in that spot where that cement is in that tree. So I'm just gonna go slow. It did pop up already. Popped up again. And I hope I do not scrape anything. We're gonna throw it on. Hit start. Should have went up a little bit more, but that's okay. So it's probably gonna correct itself. This to me where it takes the longest. I'm not the best drone operator, but I'm going to see if we can get kinda in the front of the car, right above it. What do you think? Looks pretty good, huh? I think so. Let's do it one more time. This is kind of fun. Wish I had somebody with me. That's what I'll do. We're gonna try that one more time to see if we can get in that spot. You'll see me coming around. I'm a little nervous. So it's correcting the wheel. It's gonna go the easy route again. Y'all let me know, how long do you think it's taken? Do you think it's taken too long? If I was in a busy parking lot, everybody ain't waiting for all that, right? Now what I want to do is take it back up. And I don't know if you can see it, but right there in the middle is like something. It's not right out in the road. I want to get it as close as I can and just do the last parking video and see how well it goes. You should see me come into view here in a sec. Just reading that hydrant as a person. Still not reading it. I'll back up. I'll get a little bit closer. It's reading it as a person. All right, so it's got the AutoPark ready to go. You probably couldn't see me in view because I was a little bit too far. Kind of a abrupt stop there. It's just centering everything in the lane. Looks a little bit to the left. Let's get a little closer. Probably just that shadow that was casting on there. But it looks pretty good, huh? So what do you think? Actually, it's a little deceiving, but over here is a lot of shade, but I would definitely say it's right in the middle of the lane there. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I might post this video, I don't really know for sure, but definitely hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you see fit, and also hit that notification bell as it will notify you when I do post new videos. This is YouTubeKeN. I'll see you in the next video.